Hi everyone, and welcome to Unlock TV. Ever dream of getting paid to write? Whether you are a student, a creative, or just looking for side hustle, freelance writing could be your ticket to freedom and flexibility. Today we are diving into Skills Tax Starter Pack. Freelance writing, your roadmap to get it started. What is freelance writing? So, what exactly is freelance writing? Simply put, it's writing for clients on contract basis. This can include blog posts, articles, social media content, website copy, and much more. You are your own boss, setting your own hours and choosing your projects. Building a portfolio. First thing first, you need a portfolio. Think of it as you are writing resume, even if you don't have paid experience. You can create samples, write about topics you are passionate about, start a blog, or even contribute to online publication. Your portfolio showcases your skills and style. Finding clients. Now, where do you find clients? There are tons of online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger job board, networks on social media. Reach out business directly and let your friends and family know you are available. Don't be afraid to pitch your services. To know more about websites, check out description and pin comment. Setting your rates. Let's talk money. Setting your rates can be tricky. Research what other freelancers charge. Consider your experience, the complexity of the project, and the time it will take. Start at a reasonable rate and adjust as you gain experience. Essential tools and resources. To succeed, you will need the right tools. Grammarly for editing, Google Docs or MS Word for collaboration, and good project management tools like Trello. Don't forget to invest in your writing skills, take online courses, read books, and practice regularly. Here are a few tips for success. Communicate clearly with your clients, meet deadlines, and deliver high quality work. Build strong relationships and always strive to improve. Remember, consistency is the key. And that's a skill stack starter pack. Freelance writing. If you are ready to start your freelance journey, hit that subscribe button for more tips and resources. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. Now go out and get paid to write. Thanks for watching.